Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a 1080p wireless waterproof outdoor security camera. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing the Victure PC730 wireless outdoor security camera. This camera itself is actually a 1080p camera that you guys can use for your homes, for your businesses, or any kind of place that you want to actually have some surveillance. I do recommend you guys getting cameras just in case if something does happen and you're not home, or if you are home, you want to have something that captures the moments that you might have otherwise not captured. So I do recommend, if you guys don't have a security camera, do get a security camera, as it will help protect you in situations that you never would expect. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or comments about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. If you guys enjoyed this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. And then also, if you guys actually want to check out this security camera after we're done with this video or get more information about it, there will be a link and also more product information down below in the description for you guys to check out if you guys are interested in checking out this security camera. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So, as you guys can see, the box of the security camera is fairly simple. As I spin it around, you guys can see there's a few specifications and details on the side of the box, but there's not really a whole lot to this security camera. So what I'm going to do is actually move on to the unboxing portion, where we actually unbox this box and see what's actually inside this security camera package. This is how the front of the box actually looks like. You guys can see it says Victure. It says IP camera PC730, which is the model that we are testing. As I flip this box onto the side, you guys can see there is a few specifications and details, such as it's a 1080p camera, it has wide angle lens, it also has a security encryption, it has two-way audio, and it also has motion detection and a cloud service. Let's actually proceed to unbox this security camera. So let me open it up. But you guys can see inside the packaging, this is how the packaging does look like. It is in the mess because I actually this is the second time I'm shooting this video, so I do apologize. But you guys can see this is our power brick to charge up, or I guess give power to the security camera. Next up, we have the security camera itself inside this little bag. Let me pull it out. But you guys can see this is how the security camera looks like. And it does look really nice and presentable. You guys can see it looks really nicely crafted, and I do like the design that this security camera actually gives off. We're going to put that off to the side as well. Next up, we have the user manual, and I do recommend you guys actually go through and read this, because this will give you guys a lot more information and specifications on the setup process, and also what to do if you have any issues with troubleshooting. Next up, we do have, we have the antenna for the security camera, which you do need to attach onto the security camera. We also have a product card, so if you guys need any assistance or need some help, you guys can contact the company with this product card that they provided. And then this is actually a piece of tape where you guys can actually put on your wall to actually guide where you should place the screws and stuff. So you guys can use this as like a placement holder for the security camera if you do decide to mount this onto your wall. Next up, we have some little balls of tape that you guys can use to actually put up the security camera if you don't want to screw it in. We also have some screws and some different accessories, and also a wrench that you guys can use to actually tighten the screws. In this bag, we just have a few little accessories. I'm not exactly sure what these are, but you guys can use this for your camera. I think it's actually to protect your cables and stuff. This is actually everything that's included with the packaging. You guys can see you do get included with a lot of accessories with this security camera, but you know, I like how they included a bunch of different extra stuff that you guys can utilize and use when setting up this camera. The camera itself does look really nice and presentable, as you guys can see as I'm holding it up. And yeah, it looks really nice and presentable. I always appreciate when companies leave a bunch of extra stuff that you may need or may use when setting up their devices. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Alright, so what we're going to do is actually now proceed to actually test out the security camera. I do want to mention that with all these plugs I showed you guys earlier, one of them is actually a reset button, as you guys can see. We also get where you plug in the AC adapter port, and then we also have an Ethernet port if you want to actually wired connect to this security camera. So this security camera can be either wireless or wired depending on your situation. Okay, so what we're going to do now is actually open up the application. So it's actually called IP66, and I think you guys can install this on Apple and Android. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure you can install it on both types of devices. And what you need to do is actually create an account before you can proceed. I basically typed in all my credentials and basically made an account, and this is what I'm greeted with as I created the account. So what we're going to do is actually add a new device in and actually proceed with the setup process of the security camera. So it's just going to ask for a few of your information. Let's see, wireless mode only supports 2.4G. I think we can proceed. And in our situation, we are going to be doing the smart mode because we are not going to use an Ethernet. Allow. Okay, so now what we need to do is plug in the security camera and confirm that the camera indicator light is flashing red slowly. So what we need to do is actually take the security camera, as you guys can see. We need to actually take the AC adapter and unwrap it. And what I'm going to do is actually plug this into a power source, and I'm going to plug this into this port, as you guys can see. We're going to plug the AC adapter into here, and let's see what happens. It looks like there is a red light. I hold 2 beeps and the light is now flashing. I'm going to click on next. Now you gotta type in your Wi-Fi password. So what it's doing right now is actually using sound waves to actually find the camera and connect to it. And ready. Oh, camera ready. That's what I just hold. In our case, we're gonna name it demonstration. And I think we're good to go. Open up the camera. You guys can actually see me right now. The camera quality honestly doesn't even look that bad. Let me kind of set this up so that you guys can see me. But you guys can see the camera is a little delayed because my Wi-Fi signal is not the best. Let's test out the audio. Oh, so that's actually the audio from the camera. But there's gonna be interference. Okay, so let me turn that off. But yeah, the audio doesn't sound too bad. Let me talk to the camera now. Hello? Hello? Okay, so what you need to do is actually hold on to the microphone. So it's kind of like, you know, when you're talking on the phone or on a walkie-talkie, you kind of hold it down before you can talk. So that's how you actually talk to the security camera. So I was a little confused, but I did figure it out. You can take pictures and stuff, and then you can also start recording with this security camera. So as you guys can see, it's recording me right now and actually capturing my security live feed, which is really nice. I'm gonna turn that off. You can change the quality from auto to SD or HD. That's really nice. So you can do standard definition or you could do high def definition. So let me do high definition. So let me go out real quick. Let's see if there's some settings we can mess with. So you guys can rename the camera. You can even share it with people with, by I think sending them an email. You guys can also change the shooting angle from horizontal, or you can even flip it around and all that stuff. So that's really nice. You can even increase the audio, the camera speaker, the camera notification volume, and also the camera microphone volume. So that's really nice. And you can also turn on the audio when you're recording. You can also get alerts when it detects motion. So right now I'm going to turn it on. And there's also an alarm. And then they also said that your video is actually encrypted to actually protect your privacy. Honestly, this security camera is not bad. You can even go to your album. You can look at your alerts that you got. So like if some movement came across the security camera, you can look back and see what exactly happened throughout the day. And you guys can go into the settings like I showed you guys earlier. But honestly, the camera doesn't look bad. Oh, there is an alarm. Okay, I don't know why the alarm just went off. So I think if the camera moves or if it detects motion, it actually starts to turn on the alarm. I don't know if there's a way to actually turn on the alarm by yourself or if the camera has to do it itself. But the alarm for some reason just went off. I think there is a way you can actually control it, but I'm not exactly sure how you do so. But the camera doesn't look too bad. The quality doesn't look it doesn't look bad at all. It does look pretty HD to me. I reviewed a few security cameras, and this one's pretty good. So I know there's really nothing negative to say about it. There is a motion tracking positioning part of the security camera. I don't know if you guys can see that. I forgot to show you guys that, and then the indicator light is on top right there. So what we're gonna do now is actually proceed to the final reflections and remarks, and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about the Victure PC730 wireless outdoor security camera? The security camera has a sleek and modern design. Like, if I had this in like my shop or something like that, people would know, yo, I'm not playing, So I really like the design and overall construction of this security camera. It's really solid and protected. Like I was saying earlier, it's made out of solid metal, meaning that if someone were to, do damage to the security camera, they're not going to be able to damage the camera. Like it's really durable. It's actually a little heavy too. But the security camera does perform properly. The only thing I wish was this camera, the cable that goes inside the actual camera. I wish this was detachable, because then you don't have to actually do the cabling, wiring through that way. You can like take it through like the back like that. But the security camera does perform and does a great job of actually capturing video. I was actually really surprised with the quality, and also it looks really very nice and modern and sleek, and the lens look really good on this security camera. But anyways, what we're gonna do now is kind of wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you guys are new to this YouTube channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this security camera, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys did enjoy this tech reviews and gadgets episode after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you guys want to contact us with our business inquiries email, our business inquiries email is actually CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can send me a message and we can potentially set up a product review, or you guys can send me messages if you need assistance. And then also, if you guys actually want to purchase or check out the security camera, there'll be links and also more information down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information, and also the link to purchase the security camera if you're interested. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.